Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Style with Ruhi. Today I'm going to do natural makeup. As you can see my look. So to get this look, let's go. The One Illusion Primer, face primer. You can see. I'm gonna apply this Garnier BB cream. Lotus concealer, as you can see. Maybelline compact. Just blending. Going this eyebrow pencil, I don't know this. It is a China product, so Delan something name is it is. So now I'm filling my eyebrow with it, and it's shade brown, dark brown. You can see this. I'll take more. You can see this. So it's a natural, so my eyebrows are matching in this product. So I'm using this. It's really nice product. Just you can fill it on your eyebrows and you're good to go. So, as you can see how nicely it blends. You can use a brush to blend it, or if you don't want, you can blend it with this. I'm gonna use this SFR color neons dual eyeshadow. So this beach shade and just taking little amount and blending into my all over the eye. As you can see, this is blending really good, and I wanna keep my eye literally to. So next I'm gonna taking this product. As you can see, I'm taking this product, little amount, blending into my crease area to get that cut crease. This shade, you can see this shade, because I'm not adding too much product. So just a little bit. I'm done with it, and I'm gonna use this brown eyeshadow, blending it outer of my crease, eye, where I keep eyeliner. There I am blending it. Because I am not using eyeliner, so I am blending this to get a perfect look of natural makeup. Using this blender, fluffy brush, to blend my eyeshadow. Just taking little more amount and blending it again all over the eye. Then again I'm going for black shade. And then blending it really little amount, because I'm not going in a like too heavy look, just natural look. Mascara, high-tech waterproof mascara. A lot of mascara into my eyelashes, because this gives you an intense look. You can see how long my lashes are getting. Can see this is so nice color. Using little amount. Trick cameo pencil for my inner eyes to look it bigger. Blackberry shine, so let's can see keeping a little amount of this color. It's a pink color, not light. I'm giving it light